This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tamarind chocolate only way. Start by softening tamarind pulp in warm water, then strain out fibers and seeds to yield a smooth paste. Measure chocolate and sugar precisely, and gently melt chocolate over a double boiler to avoid scorching. Stir in tamarind paste and butter, taste for balance, and adjust sweetness. Finish by setting in molds and cooling until firm. Warm water helps release tamarind flavor quickly, so soak for about 20 minutes and then strain thoroughly through a fine sieve. Use a spoon to press pulp and separate seeds and fibers, collecting a smooth paste for your chocolate. Measure the paste against your chocolate amount, aiming for 2 to 3 tablespoons per 250 grams of chocolate for a balanced tartness. Keep extra paste on hand to adjust sweetness later. Melt chocolate slowly over a double boiler while stirring to keep temperature steady and prevent seizing. Once smooth, whisk in tamarind paste a little at a time, tasting after each addition to reach the right tartness. Add a small knob of butter for sheen and mouthfeel, then gently temper the chocolate by cooling and reheating to maintain snap and gloss. Pour into molds and tap to remove air bubbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.